Hola, cheers. I took one whole day off of the build. Sue me. But today, we've got 2 cabinets to build. Woo. One's gonna be right here at the entry, so I need to measure that out so I can do all of the dimensions on the computer and then get it cut on the CNC. And then the other one is gonna go right here beside this cabinet. I've got the cuts ready for one of the cabinets, and then I've got to make drawers as well today. So we're doing undermount drawer slides, so it's a new process for me, which is kind of indicative of this entire build. Everything's been a new process for me here, and I've loved absolutely every minute of it. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. And if you are a CNC hobbyist and you have tips or tricks or something that you see that I'm doing that maybe I should be doing better, I am loaded with humility. So please let me know, because I just want to learn more and I want to do better. But first things first, I gotta get this sheet up. I guess now would be a good time to say as well, if there are any cabinets that I've produced here that you think would be really nice, I would be more than happy to recut some of these for you if you don't have the capabilities. Just let me know, send us an email, and I'd be happy to work with you on cost and shipping or something like that to design some cabinets for your bus or your van or something. We're always looking for more ways to make money but also give back, save people some money in the process.
This is our workflow right here. Just gonna drill holes and then cut our dados. And we just need to cycle start.
Left and right side, back, 3 kind of shelves which I have to clean up. Right side.
Hi, baby, don't be showing my belly like that.
Rose's over here with her belly out.
No! I'm not gonna put this in the video. We're so. Wow, I didn't expect you that. I'm dying of allergies. And I'm just chilling here while I let you do all the work.
But with that said, we have a pantry.
I've been informed that cabinet is in place. Which, I don't know if we told you, but the layout have changed a little bit. You see this green tape? It used to be an L shape. Then we realized that we have the oven here. And it's going to be super annoying to open it right against that. Nobody can pass. It's just going to be like standing right by next to it to be able to open it. So we came up with a different plan for the layout, which we will show you guys later. But now let's see the pantry. We actually wanted a full-size pantry right here, like tall, but then we also changed plans for the floor, which means we need this area to be empty, so no cabinets right there. And also the idea of having an open space sounded great. So I said, well, you know what? Maybe let's just make a cabinet like this for our pantry with 3 drawers. You pull them out. They're tall enough that you can stack things. If you think about it, our other pantry in the van used to be much skinnier, almost the size of a can. I think this is gonna give us more space. I think it's gonna be plenty of space, truthfully. What do you guys think?
Over lunch, I designed the slide pullouts that are gonna hold all the stuff in the pantry. They're rather basic, but there's a small little detail on the front so you can easily pull the slide out. I've built all of our boxes. Took a little bit longer than I thought. I had to make some adjustments. Which, again, I only designed these over lunch, so I didn't have time to make them perfect. Let's just see how this last one goes. But look at that. Oh, nice. Good morning. I'm hoping we're going to be finished with all of our drawers. And then I can start focusing on our face frames, which I'm pretty excited about. We also kind of need to figure out what other cabinets we've got planned for the bus. I'm going to knock out designing all of our drawers. I have 8 as of right now. We'll have 2 additional down the road. And then whenever we figure out what the extra cabinets in our bus are going to be, then I'll have a couple more. That right there is 8 drawers. That's it, just 8 drawers. Surprisingly, they take a whole heck of a lot less space in their current form, but I've got to go ahead and get them assembled. Chi-Chi! What's up, buddy? Come here. Oh my goodness, what are you doing, old man? What are you doing, old man? Oh my goodness. Back scrubs, back scrubs, back scrubs.
I came to the rescue while I was taking a nap to take you guys along this way because Chase is too busy building stuff. So he has had you just in time lapse. I came here to give you the content, my friends. I am so proud of my husband. He has been out here since 6:30 this morning just building his heart out to be able to finish with the freaking cabinet. And they look good.
We're finishing these drawers today. I'm just saying. Except for the face frames.
Yeah, the face
Or the drawer faces, rather.
This is my view since I got so big. I literally cannot see my feet.
Okay, let's look at it together. Here's gonna be 2 drawers, which we're waiting for because we have to do the plumbing for the sink. So that's in standby. We have this big drawer right here underneath the dishwasher. Then we have this nice drawer right here that we have to do some fixing. Then I'm gonna have my paper towel roll, and then I'm going to have things here in the back, which could be like spices or utensils for cooking. I don't know yet. We have that big one over there, which is also gonna be probably for like baking. We have the big pantry, which I love. I think those turn out so nice. And also a big difference from the last time is that we went with drawer slices that go on the bottom. And they are slowly closing. So nice, put together. Chase already put together these 2 drawers. I think there's plenty of storage, guys. What do you think?
It helps when you lift 1 foot up while you're doing this. I feel like I've lifted a foot up every single time I've tapped.
So you're like being soft?
Yeah, super soft. Look, you can't tell I've been tapping on it.
No, I know, but it like that helps you to be more soft.
Yes, I don't know.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's see if it fits. Tell me about these drawer slices. Are they much easier?
Yeah.
Baby, that's so much easier.
Well, I mean, they're not locked in place yet. I've still got to drill the locks.
Yeah.
Like these little fellas.
Yeah.
But look at this. This,
Whoa.
So the drawer's out. That's crazy.
We're gonna link these on our storefront.
You could buy Bloom. Let's be honest. That's like the name brand of drawer slides. But they're like $44 a pair. These were like 80 bucks for 6.
Yeah, and they work really nice.
And look at this soft close action. Ooh, don't fall.
Nice.
Now I am drilling where the undermount drawer slides hook into the back of the drawer. And let's just see here if it's gonna work or not.
We are running out of time. Friends, it's official. The time is clicking. Clocking, clicking, ticking. How do you say it? You know what I mean. We have set ourselves on a finish date, which it is, to be exact, in 50 days. And I've made a list, and it looks like we have a lot of work in front of us. And you might be wondering, why do you have a date? Well, because baby boy is gonna be here joining us soon. And I just feel like we have quite a bit in front of us. So let's get to work today. Hopefully we finish one of our projects. So today's plan is to hopefully figure out what we're gonna do with the face of the cabinets. We have to cut some more. We have to make adjustments to some of them. We also have to figure out what we're gonna do with the trim part. So Chase already pre-edged it? Is that how you call it?
No, I cut them to size and I reeded them.
Pre-reeded them, that's the word. Which is that little texture that you can see on them. But we wanna do a little trim around them. So Chase has a magnificent idea that we're gonna test and see if that will work.
We've got enough of these 1x. I think we can rip some of them down. We need the roundover to meet against the reading all the way around. That's the thickness right now, which we could cut that down. That may be a little too thick.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Yep.
And while Chase is working on that, I'm trying to help sanding these, which is a pain in the butt. I just have 3 million more drawer faces to sand. But it's much better. Yay!
How do you feel about all this sanding?
I'm over it. My hand hurts and the dust is giving me allergies.
And how many have you completely sanded?
2.5. In like almost 2 hours.
Whereas I said to remind her next project how much work this was. While she's been sanding, I've been routing out the edges and then trimming just a hair off because tolerances are tight on these cabinets, so I want to give just a little wiggle room. But then I've also gone with our roundover pieces and I cut one just make sure they work right and I'm able to get it glued and nailed in for the time being. I think it's looking really good, so I'm going to try and assemble this one really quickly, and then then it's just a wrap for all of them depending on how this works. What do you think? Look pretty good?
What?
I was talking to the camera. Oh. I think it looks pretty good. You giving up? So I know that this is going to work for what we're doing. I put together one and actually got it installed, and it looks really great. I just have to take it back off, of course, and then stain it. So I've got the other cabinet ready to go here. I just need to route the section out, trim a little bit off of the edge of it, and then cut our little banding, our little edge banding, if you will. I don't know what you'd actually call it, but yeah, our roundover. We'll just call it our roundover. How about that? Then the next step is just trimming that little section off. Then for the last step in my process is just sand these edges off. And I think that looks pretty damn good. And here's the reason why I did all of that. So now we've got this nice tolerance all the way around, right? So I can use this little piece of wood and it fits perfect. And then our trim piece will be just a hair over in every direction, and it's gonna finish this whole section really, really nicely. So now we have this piece. I'll be 100% honest. When Marise showed me her inspiration photos, I wasn't entirely sure that I was going to be able to pull this off. I know it's not completely finished yet. I'm working on my second drawer face, and I'm feeling pretty confident that I've pulled this off. I know it's not done, but consider me slightly impressed. It's time to get this thing put together. Alright, let's get this installed first, and then all of these will be done-ish. Then I've got to take them off and stain them.
Ayla, ¿es rosado o no?
Issues.
We got some issues? Yeah, I know.
How are we going to fix the issues?
There.
Oh, thank you. Right where? Thank you, Shmimi. Good morning. I've been staining drawer faces today, and it's time to install them.
You never were.